In the quiet calm of dawn, as the world stares awake, the soulful call to the prayer ascends, heralding the arrival of a sacred time, Ramadan, the month of mercy and blessings. From the humble abode to the bustling streets, hearts unite in a singular intention, to seek closeness to the divine, to purify the heart, to strengthen the spirit. Ramadan is the season of giving, a time when acts of kindness ripple through communities, touching lives, lifting spirits, creating bonds to transcend the ordinary. As the first light of the day touches the horizon, families come together in a symphony of shared blessings, partaking in suhoor, the meal that fortifies the body and soul for the day's fast. The day unfolds, a tapestry of endurance and devotion. Each moment, a reflection of faith, each hour, a testament to the human spirit's capacity or self-restraint and inner focus. In the unity there is strength, in prayer there is peace. Together the faithful stand, a mosaic of devotion, their prayers ascending like incense on the evening breeze. And when the sun dips below the horizon, a chorus of joy heralds the breaking of the fast. The iftar table becomes a canvas of culinary celebration, a testament to the life's simple pleasures shared. Under the canopy of the night sky, the faithful gather once more in Taraweeh, their prayers a gentle cadence, a soothing balm for the soul. Ramadan 2024, a celestial journey, a quest for the transcendence, a time to renew, reconnect and rekindle the flame of faith that guides us through the darkness towards a dawn of endless possibility. In the blessed month of Ramadan, let's explore some essential tasks that will enrich our spiritual journey. Number 1, read Quran every day, and more than its reading, understand the meaning of Quran and apply it into your life, because Quran has not been sent just for reading. Number 2, engage in dua and remembrance of Allah. Make heartfelt dua, remember His blessings, repent, seek guidance for decision, ask for mercy for your loved one. Number 3, keep and build relationships. Spend time with elderly and connect with loved ones whom you haven't seen in a while. There are great benefits and mercy in these interactions. Number 4, reflect and improve yourselves. Identify areas of your weakness and try to compete with your weakness. Number 5, give in charity. Charity isn't just about money. Clean your closets, donate quality used clothing, volunteer or calculate your Zakat. Research approved Islamic charities to make a difference. Number 6, avoid wasting time on frivolities. Time is precious. Avoid distractions, TV, social media, idle chatter. Use each moment wisely. So my friends, as the crescent moon graces the sky, embrace Ramadan's blessing. May your to-do list lead you closer to Allah. Assalamu alaikum.